In this video, we will see relation between the ureter and the uterine artery. Here, we can see that this is the ureter and this is the internal iliac artery. So, in pelvis, the ureter runs medially to the internal iliac artery and both of them are going parallel. This artery is going above the ureter and it is supplying the uterus. So the uterine artery lies over the ureter. The ureter goes below the artery. So we normally say there is water under the bridge. So this is how you can remember that the water is the ureter which lies under the uterine artery. So during any surgery, one has to be very careful to ligate the artery which lies above the ureter.